World models. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for world models, beginner level, introduction. World models are AI systems that learn a representation, model, of how the world works so they can predict future events, simulate environments, plan actions, make decisions. Instead of just reacting to data, world models try to understand the environment. They are used in robotics, self-driving cars, game AI, reinforcement learning, simulation systems. Examples include AI predicting what happens next in a game, robots learning how objects move, autonomous systems planning actions, AI simulating environments before acting. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can build an internal model of reality. What are world models? World models are AI systems that create an internal representation of the environment. In simple words, world model equals AI that learns how the world behaves. Key idea. Instead of X reacting blindly, AI does understand environment, predict future, plan actions. Components of a world model. Component purpose. Observation, input from environment. State, internal representation. Transition model, predict next state. Reward model, evaluate outcomes. Policy, decide actions. Example of environment. Data state equals position 10, velocity 5. Example of prediction. Position equals 10, velocity equals 5. Next position is position plus velocity. Print. Next position, next position. Simple world model example. Python. State equals 0. Action equals 2. State equals state plus action. Print. New state, state. How world models work. Step 1. Observe environment. Observation equals 10. Step 2. Build internal state. State equals observation. Step 3. Predict future state. Next state equals state plus 5. Print next state. Step 4. Plan action. If next state greater than 10, print take action. Print action executed. AI in simulation. World models simulate environments. For step in range 3. Print simulating step. AI in robotics. Robots predict movement. Position equals 5, move equals 3. Position plus equals move. Print robot position. Position. AI in games. Game AI predicts outcomes. Score is equal 10. If score is 5, print winning strategy. AI in autonomous systems. Self-driving systems plan ahead. Distance equals 20. If distance equals 10, print break. World models in reinforcement learning. AI learns by interaction. Reward equals 10. If reward greater than 5, print good action. Full menu-based world model example. Def observe. Value equals int input. Enter observation. Print observed. Def predict. State equals int input. Enter current state. Next state is state plus 5. Print predicted state. Def decide action. State equals int input. Enter state. If state better 10, print take action. Else, print wait. While true, print N1, observe. Print 2, predict. Print 3, decide action. Print 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, observe. Elif choice equals 2, predict. Elif choice equals 3, decide action. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Environment modeling, prediction systems, simulation, decision making, reinforcement learning basics, AI planning. Real life analogy. World models are like a person imagining the future before acting. Example. If I step here means I might fall. If I take this route means I'll reach faster. AI does the same using learned models. Ways to improve a world model project. Use reinforcement learning. Build simulations, games, robotics. Use neural networks for prediction. Add memory systems. Train on real-world data. Use physics-based modeling. Combine with planning algorithms. Visualize environments. And watch out for common mistakes beginners make. Not modeling uncertainty. Ignoring environment complexity. Not modeling uncertainty. Oversimplifying systems. Not using feedback loops. Where world models are used: robotics, autonomous vehicles, game AI, simulation systems, reinforcement learning, virtual environments, planning systems, AI research. Large systems may include simulation engines, reinforcement learning systems, predictive AI models, autonomous systems. Simple definition. World models: AI systems that learn and simulate how the world works to predict and plan actions. Final summary. World models help AI systems HQ. Understand environments. Predict future states. Simulate scenarios. Plan intelligent actions. They are key to building advanced, autonomous AI systems.